Hi there. In this video, we're going to look at Solana, including what are the key levels the bulls and bears are battling around, whether there will be any bull traps or bear traps, as well as whether there are any whales movement through the Wyckoff lens. Here, let's start with the daily chart. And remember, these are education content only, not financial advice. And whether crypto project will be successful depends on many factors. TA is just a study of trading behaviors. So here, what we are looking at now is that over the past few days, when the price gets to test the higher lows support line, especially when we get to the May 21st, like I showed you in previous sessions, the confirmation came in. Okay, the confirmation is between whether the short-term downtrend is going to continue or is it going to find support along the uptrend support line. Unfortunately, in this case, it hasn't. It broke through it, but it managed to defend the 82.73 horizontal support in this case. So that's the day that the fluctuation came in. Even though the bulls wasn't successful in defending this line, now it has turned to become resistance, as we can see for the past 2 days. These wicks, pushes the head of the candle back to below this line. So the bulls has to work hard to break the line again. And looking at the volume, there isn't much big commitment. It's very much average. Okay, no big volume coming in. So the bulls and bears aren't really committed to this. And if we look at this, it is actually slightly dropping. Okay, so activities isn't getting more, I would say, frequent, or people aren't getting more excited. They're actually waiting, okay, because there are a lot of economic data coming out, and the US and Iran's talk is, sometimes they say they're getting to a deal and sometimes they are not. So that kind of uncertainty doesn't help. People aren't just going to make big commitment in uncertainties. Okay. So in short, this short-term situation is basically gapping between these two lines, and it is widening, so it can swing all the way to the $89 Reg T level when we get closer and closer to the beginning of June. All right, so let's see what's going to happen in the next week or the coming few days, basically, and see whether the bulls are successful in climbing above this uptrend support. If not, then the base case is between these two yellow dash lines. So the base is 82.73. and the other yellow line trending upwards. So that's somewhere between 86.15 all the way to 89, okay, depending on the time. All right, if it does climb above it, but being rejected or finding resistance at the $89 level, then when we get closer and closer to the end of first week of June, then the 2C scenario comes in again. Either it continues with the uptrend breaking the red key level, or it breaks that support again and comes back to retest the 82.73 level. Remember, this is, in the medium term, a sideways trend going on. The base is somewhere around the purple key level of 75. The top is actually somewhere near the orange key level of 101, even though both times the test only arrived at somewhere close to $98. Okay, we can tell why from this candle. Okay, after the sideways trading, this sets the top. All right, so if I want to adjust the box, I will bring it down to this level. All right, $98. Okay. But the key idea is that in the medium term is a sideways trend, even though we also track the short-term movements. Okay, then what about the big picture, the Wyckoff view? For Solana, it is still at the early stage of accumulation. compared to some other smaller altcoins that has dropped to very deep accumulation cycle. So here, the tricky part is that it may still just be going through the panic sell whales by period. Okay, there may be people selling, but the whale slowly grabbing all those stocks being sold. And the reason is that when we compare to what happened back in 2020, beginning of 2024, that was the level right before the climb to the distribution peaks. Okay, the buying climax, the upthrust, and the subsequent test. So it seems a bit high if the accumulation starts at that level. Not that it can't, just that it seems like it is taking a pause instead of really trying to shake out the paper hands. It looks to me it hasn't happened yet. And looking at what happened over here back in 2022, the shape that's happening back then after the big drops, the initial big drops we have all the way here with the long wicks from the bottom. Okay? And then there was a bit of sideways, slightly upwards and then sideways. Slightly upwards. Well, sideways haven't happened yet. It doesn't have to be, but I'm just trying to show you the kind of similarity that's going on. All right? So that's the hints that is helping me to think the likely scenario is that we are still within this stage, not the selling climax or panic over stage. There may be more adjustment to come. It's a probability thing, okay? And remember, being a member gives you 48 hours earlier access to these videos with the Wyckoff analysis. So join the other channel members now. And the Substack weekly write-up is available to help you understand the coming week's upside and downside risk. So see you in the next video. Thank you.